Hello students, today we will start with the cosine rule. In last video I had already proved the sine rule. आज हम देखेंगे cosine rule which is continuation of again trigonometric function. So cosine rule is again very useful thing which give relationship between sides of a triangle and angle of a triangle. So इस तरह से ये cosine rule होता है. So let's see what is the statement, and after writing statement we will prove it. So again in triangle ABC, what cosine rule says is that a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. This is the first one. उसके बाद similarly it also says that b square. Now see, यहाँ पर अगर a square है तो whatever sides are there on right hand side उसमें a नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ cos of a आएगा. तो similarly b square जो होता है that is a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b, and c square जो होता है that is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. So this is what cosine rule says. We will prove this. We will prove first part, and on similar line second and third part can also be proved. So let's see the proof of cosine rule. So here again we need to consider a triangle. हम triangle consider करेंगे but एक proper position में हम consider करेंगे. So it is something like this. Let us consider triangle ABC with A. जो A है vertex A at origin, जो आपका ट्राइंगल का वर्टेक्स है A वो ओरिजिन पर होना चाहिए, and AB is along the positive x axis. मतलब देखिए अभी हम डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. So it is a Cartesian plane, x axis, y axis. Now intersection of both is origin. तो हमें ट्राइंगल किस तरह से कंसिडर करना है? ये जो ओरिजिन है A यहाँ पर होना चाहिए. AB is along positive x axis, so B AB like this, and C somewhere here. So like this we need to consider a triangle. This is triangle ABC. Wait, let me draw it again. So इस तरह से हम triangle consider करेंगे. तो with our usual notations we know that ये जो है AB का length होता है small c, BC length is represented by small a, on AC का length जो होता है वो small b, like this. Okay. Now here if you will observe this diagram, तो A तो जो है वो origin है तो उसके coordinates 0,0 होंगे, right? That is very much clear from the diagram. Now let us see what are the coordinates of B. Point B, जो ये point B है, it is on the x axis. x axis पर कोई भी point होता है तो उसका y coordinate होता है 0. And what about x coordinate? X coordinate is the distance of this point from origin. तो origin से अगर आप देखोगे distance इस point का तो वो है small c. तो coordinates of B are c, 0. So we got coordinates of B, c, 0. Now we are interested in coordinates of C. C के coordinates हमने निकालने हैं. This is capital C, vertex है ये. तो capital C के coordinates, let us consider coordinates of C as x, y. इसको आप x कॉमा y कंसिडर कर लीजिए एंड देन वी विल फाइंड x कॉमा y. तो here we got b के coordinates, c के coordinates we are considering x comma y. Now let's draw, we need to draw a perpendicular, that is CD. हम इस तरह से ये एक perpendicular draw करेंगे. CD perpendicular to, it is perpendicular to AB, like this. Now in this triangle, this AD is nothing but x coordinate of C. So this length is x and this y coordinate जो है C का, that is this length CD. तो ये x y हो गया हमारे पास. अब हम कंसीडर करेंगे ट्राइंगल ACD. In triangle ACD, D is 90 degree. D 90 degree है. Now we will focus on this angle, that is angle A. We will find sine A and cosine A of this angle. So let's see what is sine A. Sine A क्या होता है? Sine theta as usual, which you know that it is opposite upon hypotenuse. तो यहाँ पे sine A opposite is CD upon hypotenuse जो है वो है AC, which is opposite to 90 degree. CD is represented by small y and AC is represented by small b. So from this expression we can write y, this y as b sin A. तो ये जो है हमें मिल गया है coordinates, y coordinate of point C. Similarly we will find cos A. cos A क्या होता है? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. तो adjacent is AD and hypotenuse is AC. AD is represented by x and AC is by small b. So from this expression we can write small x is equal to b cos A. So we got x and y in terms of sides and angle of this triangle. Now what we have to do is, here we will focus on length of BC. From the diagram what we can write is, from the diagram we can say that length of BC, ये कितना है? A है. See, length of BC is A. But we know coordinates of B as well as coordinates of C. So from these known coordinates we can make use of distance formula and we can find length of BC. तो ये length of BC हम find out कर सकते हैं using distance formula. So using distance formula, मतलब BC की जगह हम अगर distance formula use करें तो what we can write? Under root and this equal to A as it is. So BC, see this is BC. So what is the formula? Under root of x coordinate of first point minus y coordinate of second point whole square. So either we can write c minus x whole square or x minus c whole square, one and same thing. So let's write x minus c whole square plus y coordinate minus y coordinate whole square. So y minus 0 whole square. So this is what we will get. Now let's remove the root. So for removing the root we will square on both sides. So squaring on both sides will give you x minus c whole square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. Now this x minus c whole square plus y square, may we will substitute for x and y. We have already obtained x and y here. So इसको आप दे दो first one and this is second one. Let's substitute for x and y. X जो है it is b cos A minus c as it is plus y is b sin A whole square equal to a square. This is from फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड से हम यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे बाय यूजिंग x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला. सो दिस विल गिव यू x स्क्वायर, सो फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर a, दिस इज माइनस, सो माइनस 2xy, मतलब 2 इंटू फर्स्ट टर्म इंटू सेकेंड टर्म, सो 2bc cos a plus c square. So expansion of this one is here, plus this will be b square sin square a equal to a square. Now these two terms, that is b square cos square a plus b square sin square a, may you will take b square common. So bracket में क्या बचेगा, cos square a plus sin square a, this is these two terms, minus 2bc cos a plus c square is equal to a square. Now very well known identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 for all thetas. So this value is 1. b square into 1 is simply b square plus c square, ये बचे हुए दो terms लिखेंगे हम, minus 2bc cos a equal to a square. So see students, this is how we prove the cosine rule. This is the cosine rule, that is first one. On similar lines we can prove this second and third one also. So this is the proof of cosine rule.